tired, empty pages. You feel wasted and frustrated, filled with hatred. Why does life have to be this way? I don't know that I can tell you it's a worth it pain. And when will I ever see things change? Restart a day, just lift your head, we'll make way. Why are you ready? Oh my soul, there's a fire inside my bones. Why are you ready? Oh my soul, please don't cry no more. Please don't cry no more. Hey, oh.